Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt frustrated by dark spots, freckles, or an uneven skin tone? Perhaps you've already purchased expensive creams, tried countless products, and still haven't achieved the results you were hoping for. Many people struggle every day with pigmentation spots, sun damage, and tired-looking skin. This can affect self-confidence and lead to an endless search for a solution. But what if today I showed you a simple Korean beauty secret that has been used for generations and requires only a few affordable ingredients? Today, I'll show you how to make a famous Korean rice cream at home. This natural cream is inexpensive, easy to prepare, and requires only a handful of ingredients. Traditionally, it has been used to help brighten the appearance of dark spots, freckles, and uneven skin tone. It also provides hydration and supports a smoother, more radiant complexion. And the best part? You can make it right in your own home. Make sure to stay until the end because I'll explain step by step how to prepare it, how to use it correctly, and why rice has been considered a beauty booster in Korean skincare for centuries. At the end, I'll also share an important tip to help you achieve the best possible results. For this recipe, you'll need 3 tablespoons of white rice, 200 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened milk powder, 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, jojoba oil, or sweet almond oil. Whenever possible, use high-quality rice with a high starch content, as the starch plays an important role in creating a creamy texture. First, place 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean bowl. Then, wash the rice thoroughly with fresh water. This step helps remove dust and impurities. Make sure your hands and all utensils are clean and hygienic. Next, transfer the washed rice into a clean glass jar with a lid. Add 200 milliliters of water. Seal the jar tightly and leave it at room temperature for 24 hours. During this time, a natural fermentation process will begin. After 24 hours, you'll notice that the rice water looks slightly different. Now place the rice, together with all the water, into a blender. Blend the mixture thoroughly for 4 to 6 minutes until a milky liquid forms. This process helps release the beneficial starches and nutrients found in the rice. The final mixture should appear smooth, creamy, and evenly blended. Next, strain the mixture through a fine cloth or a sieve lined with cheesecloth. Carefully squeeze out as much liquid as possible so that the valuable rice starch is fully extracted. The remaining rice solids can be discarded. In a separate bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Gradually add the strained rice water while stirring continuously. This step is very important because it prevents lumps from forming and ensures a smooth consistency. Continue stirring until all ingredients are completely blended together. The mixture should be silky, smooth, and uniform. This creates the perfect foundation for our homemade rice cream. Now pour the mixture into a clean saucepan. Heat it over low heat while stirring constantly. As the mixture warms, it will gradually begin to thicken. Continue stirring to prevent sticking and to achieve the smoothest possible texture. Once the mixture reaches a creamy consistency, immediately remove it from the heat. Continue stirring for a few more minutes. As the cream begins to cool, add 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil. Alternatively, you may use jojoba oil or sweet almond oil. These oils help nourish the skin and keep it soft and moisturized. Once the cream has cooled sufficiently, transfer it into clean, sterilized glass containers. Seal the containers tightly to keep the cream fresh. And just like that, your homemade Korean rice cream is ready to use. This rice cream offers several skincare benefits. It helps provide hydration, it supports a smoother skin texture, it enhances the appearance of radiance, it promotes a more even-looking complexion, it helps nourish dry areas of the skin, and it leaves the skin feeling soft and comfortable. For best results, apply the cream in the evening to clean skin. Allow it to work overnight. The following morning, simply rinse it off with lukewarm water. Remember to use sunscreen during the day, especially if you're following a skincare routine designed to improve the appearance of your skin. Consistency and patience are essential when working with natural skincare. And here's one final tip. Don't expect overnight miracles. Natural beauty routines work best when practiced consistently over time. With regular use and healthy skincare habits, you'll give your skin the opportunity to look and feel its very best. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoy natural beauty tips, traditional skincare remedies, and simple homemade recipes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Botanical Power so you never miss future content. See you in the next video. And always remember, nature often provides exactly what our skin truly needs.